kitchen.
Well, go on, guys. From you see me in the kitchen, I don't know what time it is. You get me? So today Jamaica ends out kitchen, and we're gonna cook some corned beef and cabbage and white rice with some fried plantain on the side. Come close and let me show you what I go on. We have the cabbage right here. We have the corned beef. As you can see, a la corned beef. We have some rice, basmati rice, and we have the plantain. So without no further ado, we're gonna jump straight tonight and wash the rice and kick it off. Yeah guys, as I say, I'm gonna wash the rice, you know. Come on, let's wash the rice. I watch me eyeball the thing, you know. I have to wash the rice. Couple times you have to make sure you wash the rice clean. Clean, clean, clean. So I have to water one 3-4 times. Which one the water? Just one that. Look how that stay. You know like you don't want that. You get me saying? You don't want them bubbles there. You want your water to clean and then you put on your rice pan so your water to clean and nice. Yeah? So you get it right. You wash him a couple times, maybe 1, 3 or 4 times, you give him a little wash. I think 2 times should be good enough. You don't have to wash out everything, you get me? I whole heap of people me teach you how to cook rice, you know. You get me? You know, so don't worry about yourself when you got the right place. Yeah? This is the trick, guys. This is the trick, yeah? When you're catching enough water in the rice, put your finger in the rice and make sure you go right over the liquid bump there. Yeah? See that? Right over here so you want it to go. Right over there so. So when you measure it, you see? Make sure you don't just barely touch your rice and then you go over it and then you just say, alright then after that. So we have to come put that on the fire. And we turn that on. First thing first, now we want in that some salt. That's what we need to put in it, some salt. So we need to get some salt. And to get the salt. Drop some salt. Don't worry, I say we're not the right place, you get me? Not the right place. Jamaica ends our kitchen. And we got the lively chef in the thing. You get me saying? Yeah, come on. Because salt. White rice don't nice when it's fresh, you know. So we need a little salt. And we need some butter. We need some butter on that now. Now go in the fridge to get the butter. Get some butter on that. I like my rice well buttery, you know. So I don't have to put enough butter in a phone rice, but I like my rice well buttery. So cover that now. Make that go and boil up. And then meanwhile that go and boil up now, we're gonna go over this now. We're gonna deal with the cabbage. Cut up the cabbage and get it sorted out. It's steam. Yeah? So yeah, we are get the cabbage now, we are gonna chop up that, yeah? Split it down the middle, split it again. And then we have to clean it off, take off the skin off of it and everything. Because we don't know where the cabbage that come from, you know. And you give it some nice little cut the stem off. And you show you, so make sure so you take off them things, so you clean the thing. And then you cut it up nice and yeah, you don't have to cut it up too pretty, you know, just, but make sure you cut it up nice and that, you get me saying? And cut it up good, yeah? You don't know the thing go. I think say, yo, you know what, me now cook the 2 pieces of cabbage, the whole like cabbage, you know, but me not even bother cook the whole like cabbage because I don't know one can be if we have so we don't want to overpour the thing in it. So yeah, I could go and cut up the cabbage and that. And then after that now cut up the cabbage, we are gonna get the sweet pepper. And we need to get the sweet pepper and cut off a piece of the sweet pepper there right now and cut off a piece of the onion and go wash it off. Quick and fast, cause you don't know, so we need to have the food clean up in it. So yeah, cut off the onion, you know, cut off a little part there, clean off the stem there and that to said way. Now watch you go on. Remember, no man, I Jamaica heads out chef, no man. You don't know the thing go. Yeah, wash off that now. Go on. Yeah, see how me I cut them up neat and that. But I try cut them up like me, you know, cause you don't know me a chef on that. I don't know I cut off on a finger, yeah. You know, but I follow me. So yeah, cut up that neat and yeah, cut a big cars, yeah, I cut them big cars. You know, I don't really eat them things there, you know, so when time I eat my food, I really bunks them out, but you don't know, say, I love cook with them, so I have to cook with them, though. So yeah, cut a piece of the onion there, one of there. I would not use it all like, though, yeah. Alright, I could go and do a thing then. Yeah, yeah, man, I could go and do a thing then, cut up the onion there, and sort that out, alright then. Boom, bam, bam, cut up that, and then everything sort out now, that ready up
ready up now for salt out for going at the pot. Alright, we're gonna check the rice so I'll go on. Cause you don't know when the rice is stick. Mix up the pot. So the butter go all about and then thing there. Alright, cool, we'll do that. Alright then, so we'll show everything what we just cut up in the pot. And we are gonna run that now. And go over our stove so we are gonna need. So we got everything what we need now. We have a hard purpose there. You can't see. We have a show the hard purpose on it. But don't put too much pan in. Now watch me eyeball the thing. The season the recipe are gonna be in the description. Then we have a show like a black pepper pan that now. And then we have like a chili flakes, so we are gonna put like a chili flakes. Cause you don't know you know season it up too much because I corned beef. We are gonna mix up the corned beef tonight. So if I just see cabbage alone, you could have put more seasoning tonight. So yeah, that I gonna bring off like a spice and that. So yeah, and good thing we need now put like a oil tonight. Yeah, throw some oil tonight. And you need to throw some water in it and turn on the fire. But the rice come like it a bun. Me smell the rice. So we are gonna move the rice now. We need to check the rice because you know what I go on? Smell the rice. So we have to check the rice and so I go on. Blood, see the water, dry out of the rice, you know. So come on then we are gonna take off the rice because we have to put the rice on a smaller fire in it. Because the fire is too big feet. And we need and we'll put the cabbage over upon the other fire. Show no what I go on. Don't worry about yourself, man. That big chef there, man, and I go learn everything. So yeah. Turn up the fire here now. So you have the low fire. So we want the rice well steam. Steam rice we're saying, you get me saying? So yeah, put the fire here upon well low. Well low we have put it on. Alright, see it there? We catch it right. So cover about the pot now. Left that to go on steam. Alright, now we'll come back. We have a pot cover. We have a file paper. So we have a sort out everything right now. Cover the pot first thing first. But make sure when you put the water in on the cabbage because you don't know how to fry the cabbage if you don't put oil in it, so you need to put some water in the cabbage because it's steamy thing, you get me saying. So yeah, make sure you don't put the water, make sure the fire low and cover that. Boom, that done. So come on now, make we cover the rice with the file paper. A little piece of file paper there. Roll it out. Put on the rice, cover it and sort it out well neat and that. I don't have more 15-20 minutes for that, you know. And that's steam. I mean, not even have to check that again. Because I know so once me have to pot off of that, I know so that ready up. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, everything sorted out almost done here now. And we are gonna do now. Rice dip on steam, the cabbage dip on cooking. So we are gonna do, we are gonna roll a clip, roll a smoke, roll out and puff up. So yeah guys, you don't know, so it's been like 10 minutes, so we have to check what go on for the cabbage because we kind of smell it, so we have to catch it and see what go on, make sure it's not catch on the fire. Oh god, that smells so nice and looks so delicious. Oh my god, look how it looks pretty, you know. You get me saying, all different type of pepper in it. It smells, oh my god. On the word alone can tell you guys how this smells nice. You can just imagine when we put the beef in it. Oh god. But yeah, still want to cook one little bit more. I will say maybe for next 10 more minutes. So by the time our next 10 minutes time we'll come check in and then it should be alright. We're not going to disturb the rice. We're not going to disturb the rice. We're going to make the rice go and steam a little more. At least for the next 5-10 minutes and then we can check him on that. But not even have to check him, we can just lock him off, but we have to check it and show him what go on and then we have to fry the plantain. So don't worry yourself, when you're at the right place, we're going to learn how to make white rice, cabbage and corned beef with fried plantain on the side. Don't worry, yeah? So yeah guys, first thing we are going to do now, we are going to check the rice. Look, we just have to turn it off, as you can see. We just have to check it, come. Not even have to check it, come. Know exactly what happened. We not even have to check it. You get me? Watch that. Yeah, see how that look? Well, fluffy and nice. See what I got? You can see it's a that proper cook, yeah? Done with that now. I'm going to check what I got over here so now. The aroma out of this is mad. The look is nice. Jesus Christ. Right now we just need to chop the corned beef tonight. So I could just chop the corned beef tonight, guys. So the corned beef there. How am there? Zim Zimmer. Pass me the keys to my dinner. Who am I? The corned beef killer? Dead. Alright, come on. Chop the corned beef in it. You see, I live the chef, vibes the chef, with the name, and I live the chef, not vibes the chef. You get me, say? The right chef. Cook up some food. Show no how go on. And them cooking channel, I don't want the pan. Okay, come on, shake it up, shake up, shake up, shake up. Oh God. How did they shake till the morning? Just mash up this with this now. Mash up this in the cabbage. Once these start cooking, you get more soft. Alright. Easier to mash up. But you don't have to do like me, you can just get one fork. So you don't have to punish yourself. Because I look like my life punish. So I just get a fork and do it. And do it and mix in. See? Yeah, it a mix in nice. There's a good thing, so I never use all of the cabbage. And now what you need to do now, put the more black pepper on this. Because when you put black pepper on the corned beef, you make it corned beef nice. So. But black pepper not really good for you though. So you know, put no oil on it. Kind of take with it, kind of smell the one I don't like. Look at the corned beef. So, yeah, that's all that basically. Corned beef and rice done. Basically done. But if you go and hot up a little bit, and you go and sort out the planting. So, you know, I peel the plant, I can get up for 5 2 minutes and go sort out the planting. So, yeah, sort out two of them bad boy. So yeah guys, shum. So I go sort out the planting. What do you call it? How do you pronounce it? Leave it in the comments. Leave it in the comments, let me know how to pronounce it. What do you call it? A planting, I call it, you know, planting. How do you call it? So leave it in the comment and let me know how to call it. Get some nice ripe planting for go. And this is how I like cut the planting now. Yeah, nice and yeah. Nice slice. Well, you know why I learned to cut the planting so? Because I'm craving. I'm in Jamaica. Because normally you cut it 4 ways. Cut it in the middle and then you just cut it. Never sure now. And you cut it this way, you get more out of it. So I'm going to peel it on you and I'm going to show you what I talk about. Because normally some people normally cut planting. So yeah, normally they would have cut it like this, so boom, and then they cut it long way. But you don't get as much as we get out of it this way. You cut it this way, better way this. So yeah, make sure you don't cut it this way every time. You get more out of it. Right now the cabbage and the corned beef is supposed to be ready, so we're going to take that off of the fire and we're going to put on the oil to start out the planting. So come on, we can jump over there. Come on then. You see? Yeah man. Already that oh my days, that smells so nice. Jeez. Now you know what? You know what I feel bad? You don't have a taste. You don't have a taste. It's so nice though, but yeah, everything ready up. So that ready up. So we need to sort out the aisle. Go get planting. So yeah guys, we make this space ready to start fry with planting. So yeah, the oil almost hot, you know, I can smell the oil coming like it a burn, but yeah, we could chuck them in. Not even hot good, but it don't really matter. A non-stick pot. But if your pot is not non-stick, don't put them in the coal oil because they will stick in the pot. Well, you should know that because that's why you don't need non-stick. But yeah, chuck in them and then quick and fast dinner ready. No time. No time dinner ready. You know, all of them one time. Put all some of them on the edge, like busy signal. gone already. On the edge, 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 on the edge. Hey. I'm mad boss right now in the kitchen. We have flower planting at the thing. And we have cook some rice and cabbage. And everybody don't know how we do thing. We're not on TikTok live right now, but you can catch me on YouTube or all advice. Watch out the channel and catch out the thing and yeah. Look on that, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look how I look pretty like me. So yeah guys, plantain is finished. Oh, plantain. The plantain. I finished right the plantain. You get me saying? Hot food. Let me have to make one. Nobody now get none. Yeah guys, as you can see, food done. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, the food done. And this are the outcome. Look what I got. So I gone. Yeah man. So come in, make we go dig in again. Yeah guys, as I say, come make we dig in. Yeah. Fuck. Jesus Christ. Wait. We need to mix it up with a piece of plantain first. Mix it up with a piece of plantain. Mind blowing. And if you don't stay till right here, so that means you can prepare something just as nice as this. Yeah? Just as good. Big up on yourself and work until next time. Jamaica ends our kitchen. I will see you again. I will out.